Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, just keep watching. Alright, so we gotta do something with the lips. I did not see this coming, but I have just become like a Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick stan. Like I love this so much. Every shade, everyone is phenomenal. And they're like $6 and some change, so like you can't go wrong. This is the shade Whiskey Business. I've been wearing this like every day for the last week. I don't know what it is. They go on beautifully. They are moisturizing. They're perfect. I love these. And again, I did not see that coming. Especially that rum raisin shade. Like, what is it? Why does it look good with everything? Like, I don't understand. It's like there's nothing special about it, but it's amazing. I don't get it, but okay. So I need to stay focused. Today's palette. I mentioned, I think in a couple videos ago, I went on a Nomad Cosmetics binge. This is the Paris La Bohème palette. Like, just the artwork and everything in the Nomad Cosmetics palettes. And they come with like a little postcard. They just put so much thought into their palettes. I don't know. I love it. I love it. It's not just a palette. It's like, it's an experience. And then here are the shades. So yeah, just beautiful, beautiful, you guys. Okay, so give me 1 second. I just kind of like need to move some stuff around. My little pile of palettes got a little bit too high, so I can't really see the shades that we're gonna be working with. Oh man, oh, these are really pretty. I don't know. I mean, we have to do kind of like a reddish pinkish look. And then maybe like a greenish, purplish, bluish. I don't know. It's all pretty. So let me just not overthink this because I'm really good at that. Okay. And let's just get started. I'm just gonna start stamping down. I could be here all day. I really could. I mean, there's not a bad choice. This is beautiful. Let's start with the shade Latin Quarter. I don't know why, but there's just something about it. Alright, you guys, so life kind of updates. Indy's doing better. She is still on her like folic acid supplement. Oh crap, I just remembered I had to give her her B12 shot today. Still doing the B12 shots. I think we're gonna retest it in a couple weeks and see how she's doing. But yeah. It seems like we're doing better. Crap, my battery is dying really fast. Did not see that one coming. Okay, now let's take the shade Painter and just blend it out with that right here. But yeah, sorry, we're gonna talk about poop. Her poops are better, so that's a good sign, and I think that we are hopefully moving in the right direction. The question will just be, will she have to stay on these supplements for the rest of her life, or was this like a temporary thing and then her tummy will be back to normal in a couple weeks? That's what we're trying to figure out. Okay. Now I'm going to do like a deep outer corner, so let's take the shade Tragique and we're gonna stamp that on the outer portion of the lid. Also, I got to hang out with my BFF last weekend. It was really good, way overdue. We did aura photography again, which I will show you my pictures from the last time I had it done, which I think it was like November or October. So let me take it out of this. This was the one, can't remember if it was November or October. So like lots of green, and then indigo and blue. And then the one that I just had done. Right here. And like there's no green in this one. So it's just like blue, indigo, some purple. So like my aura changed. But yeah, so the green was the one that was not gone. Or that was gone. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know. I recommend doing it if you have a place that does it around you. It's just a cool thing to do if you're into like that woo-woo stuff like I am. Highly recommend it. And then we just walked around, visited some like antique shops, and it was just a good day. Then we went to Long John's because they took our Long John's away where we live, but they had one where we were, and so we went to Long John's. Love Long John's so much. But yeah, it was just a good day. It's a good day to just be outside and see my BFF. So hopefully we can do that again soon. All right, so this shade Poverty right here is like just screaming out to me, so that's what we're gonna use. Ooh, holy crap, is that beautiful. I just love when you just open a palette and there's just a shade that just, I don't know, kind of speaks to you. That is phenomenal. It's just so pretty. Okay, I need to do something with the lower lash line. I've like been forgetting about the lower lash line lately. In my Monday through Friday office life, I don't really ever do anything with the lower lash line, so I think that's why I'm kind of forgetting about it when I do my videos on the weekends. Now I'm getting the hiccups. I'm just kind of just want something like simple. Let's just go with the shade Art. It's just really light, and I don't want to do anything like too much. I just want a little something. So let's go with that. And I have like some of the like darker shades on top kind of like transfer down. So this is like perfect. And then for a lower inner corner highlight, let's do the shade Love right here. It's just really, really, really pretty. Sometimes it's hard to see the shades with the lights, I'm sorry. But it just has to be like bright enough so the video isn't too dark. Okay. Really, really like that. Now carbonation break. Now I need to figure out what we're gonna do for the next eye. I feel like we have to use this shade Paris, right? Right there. I just tapped into that very lightly because I don't want it to be too dark. That is a really, really pretty deep purple. That's gorgeous. Okay. My battery is dying, so I need to stay focused. And if you've been here, you know I'm not good at that. So we shall do our best. I'm gonna go in with the shade Philosopher right here and just blend that out. All right, I'm gonna take that shade Tragique, and that's gonna be our outer lid shade, kind of like I did with the other eye. A little bit of glitter glue. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Musician, which looks pink, but it also looks green. So I feel like it's gonna be like a chromey shade, and it's gonna have a really cool flip to it. That is so pretty. I just absolutely love both of these looks. I do need to go in, and we're just going to use that same shade Art for the lower lash line right there. And then we're going to go in with Love for the lower inner corner highlight. And then I have to go throw on some liner, some mascara, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. And yeah. This is just such a good palette. All right, I will be right back, you guys. All right, so I am back. If you know, you know. And I'm not trying to rush this, but my battery is down to like 1 bar. So let's do a really quick final look. Also, I am like so out of like center. Okay. I do really, really, really like this look. It's fun, it's colorful, it's beautiful. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Paris Le Bohème. I'm sorry. None of those were probably right. But let's just focus. There we go. You guys, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Highly, highly recommend Nomad Cosmetics. They have a great formula. They put so much thought into their palettes. It really is more like an experience going to the destination than just a palette. So that is it, you guys. I have to run. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, comment anything down below. I am a very small creator and it is hard for me to be seen. So any little like, comment, share, it helps me out tremendously. So thank you so much for supporting me in this channel. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you all in the next one.